Yo, 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 yo. It's your boy. It's me, Mo D. Hey, I'm in the shop, y'all. Machining these I'm machining these bases right now for the trophies. These bases right here. So I'd already cut out the bases right here. I already cut these out earlier. I just gotta these trophies is due Saturday, so I had to get cracking. I figured since I might as well stream it, right? Might as well go live with y'all. Someone keep me company in here. But yeah, I'm machining the pieces right now. So I already cut these pieces out, and I already printed them, and I already did the vinyl overlay. I decided to do vinyl overlay instead of UV printing. I just don't have time to fiddle with that UV printer, man. So it was faster for me to do the vinyl overlay and then slap some clear over it, and we're done. So that's the workbench all laid out. Got a lot going on. I have to assemble all these probably tomorrow, to be honest with you. I'll be doing a lot of assembly tomorrow. But man, I think I have like a late night tomorrow. I'm not looking forward to it. But yeah, I'm cutting these pieces out right here. Then I'm gonna cut these pieces out, and then I gotta do all the bases. So, and I can't assemble until I get all these cut out. So, kind of gonna be a short one because I gotta go pick my daughter up in about 45 minutes. So, just gonna hang out with y'all while I cut a few of these out, and just kind of just chill, kind of have a little conversation. I'm thinking about finding like some music or something, some background music to play while I'm in here, working on designs and cutting the machine rolling and everything. But I just got to be careful with YouTube. So really just on some chill stuff. Let me put my Actually, gonna put these on, deal with all this noise, man. I guess I'll start working on. Guess I'll start work. There's a couple more bases I need to make. So you look at the notes, customer notes. Guess I'll just start designing those right now. Kid choice, people choice, best in show. We'll go ahead, type up kids choice. I don't know. Maybe I'm doing something wrong with this texting, the actual text, but we'll see. I want that to be Arial Black. This one. I'm not gonna lie. I'm starting to get the hang of this. Get the hang of this designing in Lightburn. I almost prefer it when I'm doing my quick designs here. Pretty cool. The danger. No, we gonna go. Yeah, let's through the wire. All right, we'll do kids' choice. Let's align it up. Align center. And then we gonna go copy, we gonna go paste, we're gonna knock that over here. People's choice. Make that smaller. That's way too big. We're gonna go paste. And we're gonna go thought I heard something. Thought I heard weird noise. Oh, oh. Change the horizontal spacing on it. Nah, nah, nah. I'm going back down to 0. I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, 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 yeah. Hi. I always going through the wire. Cancel that and go ahead and unite that. Go ahead and get in there again. Go ahead and ungroup that. Go ahead and delete those. Go ahead and take that. Shift that. Unite that. And we good. Go ahead and change this to black for etching. Boom. We're done. Go ahead and group that. Go ahead and make sure that aligns up with that. All right. That one's done. All right, let's work on a people's choice. Kind of want to follow the same format a little bit. Take the choice, drop it down a little bit right here. Take the whole people situation and shrink that down. Let's see. July. All right, I'm cool with that. We can go ahead and do that. Okay. Click on this. Control U for ungroup. Okay, grab this. Shift, grab that. Unite. It's done. Go in here. Click on this. Control U for ungroup. Click on that. Bam. Click on this. Shift. Click on that. Unite. Okay, that didn't happen. Hold on. Unite. Now we good. All right. Change this to black for etching. Group. Done. That's good enough. Best to show. Like a so. A little bit bigger. Move up, over just a little bit. Bring that down some. Drop it down like right there. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and click on that. We're gonna go ahead and outline that or offset. 1/8 inch offset. Okay to that. Grab that. Shift ungroup. Clean up these little pieces here. Grab this. Control U, ungroup. Grab this, select. Grab that. Go ahead and unite. Control U, ungroup. Clean that up. Grab that. Shift. Grab that. Grab that. Go ahead and unite everything. All right, that's all united. Man, this is crazy. The delay on that is turn that black. Control G for group. Let's check on our machine. All right, look like machine is cutting nice. That's it, really. Just gotta actually I gotta cut out one more of these pieces right here. One more, and then we good. We done. Yeah, we gotta cut out one more, and then we can just start assembling. Actually, I might have to cut out some more of these standoffs right here, but we're gonna start assembling tonight. It's a lot going on. Ooh, man. All right, so what's next, man? So we got that done. Time is it? Make sure I don't lose track of time. Okay, it's 7:11 my time. Think I'm gonna play some like black background music on this particular scene when I'm doing a oh man. All right, y'all. I can't. I'm tired, man. I can't. I can't do this. I don't have the energy like I used to be pulling like late nighters. I played the game last night. I was playing some GTA RP, and I ended up staying up way past my bedtime. I think it was like 2 o'clock. I went to bed at 2 a.m. I kicked my ass, man. I cannot do that. Um, won't be doing that again. I'm still tired. I still haven't recovered. That was wifey asking if I wanted some tacos tonight. They're making tacos. I had 8 already, man. I'm ate way more than I was supposed to eat already. I might get a couple tacos. Can't really turn down no tacos. Man. See where we at. It's almost done. Almost done. Almost done. We're in the Yo. Yo. Testing my wireless mic. Yo. Testing, testing. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Wait a minute. Um. Yo, I can't hear nothing. Hold on. Yo. Testing, 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 bro. Yo, yo. There we go. But what happened? Yeah. Well, that ain't working. Hey, testing, testing. Test, test. Man. Sorry, I'm trying to. There we go. Yo, 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 yo. Testing, testing. Testing, testing. Yo, yo. There we go. There we go, y'all. Get yeah. Yo, yo. Oh, why is this so low? What's going on? Turn the gain up a little bit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yo. I don't know. We'll just chill with that. Yeah. We'll line it up later. Get it all worked out. But go ahead and go to the shop. About to go to the making box of madness, man, and go ahead and get it ready for the next cut. Oh, 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 oh. Pop that thing like that, man. Oh, oh, oh. Pop that thing, let it happen. Yeah, y'all, I got time for maybe a half a cut. I'm not gonna be able to do a whole row. Not going to be able to do a whole row. So I'm gonna go back to the I'm gonna go back to the camera settings and update the overlay. Just trying to make sure I clear the pieces here. Yep, that's fine. Yep, that's fine. Go ahead and cut out how long that's gonna take. 14 minutes. Okay, yeah. We'll go ahead and start. We'll go ahead and cut that out. Go ahead and start. Yep, go ahead and start. Actually, let me go close this up, y'all. Yep, go ahead and close that up. We're gonna go ahead and go to Workbench. go ahead and while that cut, I'm gonna go to the workbench and kind of like chill on, work on some stuff. Grab my drink here, grab my phone. Yep. Got a lot of cleaning up to do. A lot of assembly to do. Got some ASMR. But yeah, it's the piece right here. This is the artwork I worked on in the last live video. So you guys can go back and watch that one if y'all want to see you know, the design process. I didn't show y'all me cutting these out because I just had to get this stuff done. So what I ended up doing was like, I did a vinyl overlay. I printed them up with my BN20, the BN20A. And I basically overlaid it on here, and then I sprayed some protective UV clear over it. And that's it. That's the piece. That's one way I do it. The more like streamlined way, I say, would be using my UV printer. But as I mentioned, I got it from China, and I think it's more user error, but I just can't get it to work right like I want it to. So I've been struggling with that. But we'll get it right. But given my time constraints, this one's a little. I don't know. I don't think it's faster, to be honest with you. Like, yeah, I can print these out faster on a BN20A, but then I also had to, you know, apply the overlay to the vinyl, to the acrylic, and then spray it. But with the UV printer, it may take slower to get them all done. But once I'm done, they're done. You know what I mean? Like, it's just one step, like two steps, really. Like, cut it out with the laser machine, and then print it with the UV printer, and then assemble it, and I'm done. So I gotta get that done. But the time, that would have definitely been faster. So I'm not gonna sit up and say that I can do this faster than what I did. But I know how to make this work, damn it. It's just like, it's like, to me, it's more so like the quality of the build. It's like the parts and components that they use in a machine is just like fragile and finicky, you know what I mean? It's not like robust, a robust build. You can tell the difference, you know? Even my laser machine, I got that factory direct from China, and I actually learned a lot, like how to work on it. And I thought the UV printer would be similar, but it's a lot of finicky stuff that's just not, my opinion. Like, quality control could have been better, you know? Most of it's user related, but I don't know. That's just me. I don't know about y'all, but when I'm in the shop working, man, I make a mess. I literally just throw everything on the floor, and I'll clean up later. Especially when I'm in a zone, like in like assembly line. Psh, like a damn tornado done ran through here. I don't know, any makers, when you guys are in that mode, so you guys just, are you guys one of those clean creators, or you guys just make a mess? I personally just make a mess and clean up after. I don't have time for all that, man.
Got some making to do, y'all. Got time to be cleaning up. Do that later. Nah, I try to throw it in the garbage can, but when the garbage can start overflowing, just throw it on the floor, man. I'll deal with it later.
Find another mic input. Trying to figure out the setup, y'all. Looks like it's done. Oh my god, bro. That ain't working. Shorty, yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. All right, let me go. Yeah, I think I'm done, y'all. I gotta go. All right, I think I'm good. I think I had the
the wireless mic um, receiver plugged into my wave deck, my stream deck, my stream deck plus. I have the little UHB USB adapter on the back of it, and I don't know, it was weird. Yeah, yeah, we gonna go ahead and dip up out here. I'm about to go get some my daughter. I got to go and get some my daughter. I will finish cutting, and then I'll probably go back live maybe later on tonight, assembling, or I may go live tomorrow assembling. Just gonna finish. I'm gonna finish cutting out everything, get everything cut out, prepped. I have to paint, color fill the bases, so get that all taken care of, and then yeah, look like I have a little bit of assembly to do, but we are going to go ahead and probably end this stream right now. I told you it was gonna be a short one, but I just wanted to just kind of go live, cutting it out, show y'all just a little bit, like take y'all on this process. So like I said, next is gonna be just assembling these trophies together, and we'll probably just might just go live, and we'll just kind of have a BS session of us just talking, BSing, and working on these trophies. But I'm gonna catch y'all the next one. I have to run. My daughter is actually out. She likes to stay a little later. She's trying out for cheer tryouts. So her first time trying out. She's transitioning from gymnastics to cheering for high school. So they had like 200 girls trying out. Man, it's crazy. She made it through the first round of cuts, and she's on to the next round. So she's a little nervous, but she's staying extra to get extra work. She's built like that. But I'm about to go get her, y'all. So I'm gonna catch y'all. I'm gonna holler at y'all at the next one. Like I said, I may go live later tonight, or if not, I'm gonna go live. Definitely gonna go live tomorrow, assembling these with y'all. All right.